This is a tutorial on how to customize and design your map of your farm to your liking using QGIS. If you followed the previous QGIS tutorials and now have your features in place, you'll want to follow along with this tutorial before you move on to printing or saving your map. Once you've got your features in your project, you can customize them based on color and border by highlighting the layer you want to edit in the Layers panel, then going to Layer, and scrolling down to Layer Properties. This can also be accomplished by simply double-clicking on the desired layer. In this window, you can pick whatever design you'd like for that feature using a wide variety of fills and borders. Choose a fill here and adjust its color and opacity here. Do detailed adjustments by clicking on the Feature Characteristics under the Fill drop-down menu. You can also change the sizing of point features in Layer Properties as well. Make sure to select Apply each time you edit a feature. Once you've adjusted the colors and fillings of your features, you can also label your features on the map for easier identification. Locate and click on this icon denoted as Layer Labeling Options, and a page will then be displayed with a drop-down menu of all your project's layers. Select a feature you'd like to label, then locate and select the Label drop-down menu and select Single Labels. Under here, you can select what you'd like the feature to be labeled as by scrolling through the Value drop-down menu. For fields, you can label all of them by name, acreage, soil type, and more. All the label options are automatically imported from SnapMaps, so you don't have to manually name each feature every time. You can then adjust the font to the type, size, and color you would like it to be here. Once you're satisfied with the style and labels of your map, you should first save your project by selecting Project, then Save. Give your project a name and save it to a place where you can easily access it later. This is the end of the tutorial on customizing your farm's map in QGIS. Please reference the next video on how you can save your project as a PDF or print it off for reference.